Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to apply for jobs in LinkedIn. So first, go over to your jobs tab right here, this suitcase tab, then pick a job. So let's say I like this one, freelance video editor. So click on that. And right now it will open up this tab where you can read about the job. So read about the job requirements, about why and our mission, and all sorts of things. And if all of this suits you, you can simply click on apply right here. And then you can increase your chance of being viewed. So this will share your full profile with the job poster when you click apply. So this is actually what you want. So make sure this is on and press continue. This will take you to an external link of this company, and here you can apply. So enter your email and whatever the company wants. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.